good evening. Hello.
Hi, Hitesh.
Hi, good evening, sir.
Good evening, good evening.
Okay. So in today's session, we'll be learning how to create a website because website is something which will be required in most of the modules. So for that, first of all, we will create a website, and then in coming sessions we will be working on search engine optimization, where we will be creating content, adding content, and then we will do SEO on our website.
Okay.
So first of all, we will be doing creating a website. So now I have installed website over here. Okay, I will log into my admin panel. I have also created a platform for you as well. I will give you the login credentials for that, so that you can also try.
Okay.
All right, so this is the admin panel which I have. Okay, and now you will also get the same admin panel for your website, and same all things will be there. One thing, okay, so whenever we have any updates, we need to update it. So it says that WordPress 6.1 is available, and current version is 6.0.3. So let us see update to 6.1. So we click on it. So it's like whenever you have any updates, say like in Windows and Mac also, we have some updates. There are some updates of the softwares as well, so that we need to do. So now WordPress 6.1 is installed. So now what are the things that we need to know? First of all, we will learn about this admin menu over here. This is called as admin panel of the website, from where we can create the website, uh, and we can manage our website. So now let us understand the role of each and everything. First of all, I will uninstall the things which
I
are
can't
not
see.
required.
I can't see.
Okay, one second. Now can you see?
Yes, now I can
Oh,
see.
okay. So this is the installation over here for WordPress which we have done. You also will get the same panel, and same things will be there. And this is what we call as admin panel, from where we manage and create our website.
Okay.
So now let us first understand the role of each and every menu that we have over here, so that we can, whenever we require those things, we can utilize each and every part of the menu. So this is the dashboard home, which will just give you the bird's eye view of whatever is happening on your website.
Okay.
Like say whatever new articles that we are using, then there is it says that PHP update required, so we need to update the PHP. So that I will update that you cannot update, but I need to update it from my control panel of the website. So when you purchase the hosting, at that time you get these kind of things, this type of control panel. This is cpanel. One second, I'll just okay, multi PHP manager, and I need to update the version of the PHP. Currently it is 7.3. I'll update it to 8, and I'll update to all the website. Okay, and yes, and now I can say apply. So now it says that it's successfully updated. I can reload the page and see whether it is updated or not. Yes, we can see all of them are updated. Okay, so now I can just log out from my control panel, and we are back to our admin panel. So now let me load this page also, so that this error will go. Okay, so we can see that error is gone. So now over here these are some extra plugins which are installed. Plugins are basically small applications which enhances the functionality of the website. So over here we have all the installed plugins which are there in the website. So in case if we do not require the plugins, we can uninstall it. So I'll just go to these plugins. So I want this, I want this, I don't want this, I don't want this, I don't I want. Okay, I'll keep we'll remove this, and I'll say deactivate. So to delete it, first I need to deactivate it, and once they are deactivated I can then delete it. So I'll select all and then uncheck the ones which I want to keep. Okay, so I want these two only, and then I'll say rest of them I'll delete it. Okay. Okay, so they are gone. So now we are again going back to dashboard, and now we can see whatever things are happening on our website. So right now there is nothing on the website, so I mean this is just for the information purpose, which are default. So I mean over here from the screen options, if you do not want anything, then you can just uncheck those options, say like activity or quick draft or WordPress events and news. Welcome you don't want. WordPress forms you want. If you want, you can keep it so that you get to know that how many people are filling up the forms. So this is the that form. And over here site health status, so I mean that is also not required, because that is taken care by the server people, so that's okay. Okay, and yeah, so that is all gone. So now the first thing is over here updates. So update is whenever we get whenever some version of any application in WordPress is required, so we need to update those. So right now we can see over here these three themes are having some updates, but any which ways we are going to delete them, because we are going to install a new theme, so there is no point in updating them. But in case if we want to update, then I can just select the theme which I want to update, and then I can just click on this button that you see, and then it will automatically update it. So that is the part of update. But in case if there is the update for the theme which we are using, then you need to select that and you need to update. Then there could be some plugins also which we have installed, and for them also there could be some updates, then you need to update those plugins. However, in plugins, say there is an option for auto update, so that I mean you can say auto update. So there is the option for auto update that we can use. Okay, just one second. Yeah. Okay, so this is what the update is all about. Then this is the post. So post is basically all the blogs that we write on our website. So whether we call it as blogs or articles or I mean post, so everything is one and the same thing. So but the most common name used is blogs. So this is the blog section of the website. So here we can find these blogs over here. So we can write new blog. So I can click on add new blog, and then I can get to write a new blog. So I have clicked that button, and over here I can add the title, and over here I can write the description, and then I can add the important keywords, add some image for this blog, and then I can select some categories. So over here I can add a new category if the category that I want is not available. So basically in the fresh installation you will have only one category, that is uncategorized, that is the default category. So that we are coming to it over here, categories. So we can see the categories over here, and say now since this is a default category I cannot delete it, but yes, I can edit that category, and I can just rename it to say general. and then I can just say update. So this is done, and then whenever I want to add a new category, I can just add it from here. I can give it a name over here for the category, and then I can click on add new category. So but usually we don't do it from here because say this is a bit difficult, say I mean unnecessary creating over here. We usually add categories from the post page itself. See over here it is, say I can add the category like say uh, digital marketing or something, whatever category I want to add, and then I click on add new category. So that category, you can see it is added over here automatically. So I just need to select over here and it gets added. So any number of categories I want, I can add. So now if I want to add one category which is under digital marketing, say like SEO, and then I say parent category is digital marketing, so then I click on add new category. So then SEO will come under this digital marketing, so that I can use. So like that I can select whichever category, say like after SEO, say like Google tools, and then I want to say under digital marketing, so then it will come up. So then I can add that category also. So I can see like this, it is getting added. So this is how we add categories, and if you see that there are some duplicates, so you can just go and check in the category section that whether you really have duplicate or not. So you don't see any duplicate over here, but this is coming. So digital marketing is the main one under which we have Google tools and SEO. So you can see this dash, it means that it is under some other categories. So if I don't want them, then I can just quick edit, and over here I can select or delete it or update category, all those things I can select and do it. So that is what we do whenever we want to create categories, but we usually don't use the category section to add new categories. And then the same way over here we can see the tag section. So tag section also we can add some new tags, but say there is no point in adding tags from here, because say whenever we create any new post, at that time the tag section is already there. Over here we can see some tags. So when do we use this tag section, which we can see in the menu? That we can add when say Google will tell us that there is say some of the tags are missing on your website. At that time we go to this tag and then we can add it. So that is one of the method, and other method is going to a particular article which contains the keyword tag, and then we can add it over there. So that is the tag. Then we have media. So media library is basically collection of all the images that we are uploading for our website. So that you can get to see all the images at one place. So say like what happens is that sometimes we just want to check that whether this image is available or this image is not available. Then we can come over here to media library, and we can see whichever media are there, whichever media is not available, then we can upload those images. So over here we can upload images and videos, documents, PDF, everything, Word, Excel, whatever documents we want to upload, that we can use it in media library. So whenever we go to a page, or we create a page, or we create a post, and from the post I will add some new image. Say like over here there is an option for adding a new image. So maybe for this I would be selecting some of the image. So say let me say that okay, I'll upload some image from here. Say I'll upload this image over here. So whenever I upload this image, it gets uploaded over here, and finally it gets stored in the media library. So unless and until I publish this, at till that time it will not get uploaded. Just let me check over here. So you can see this image has come up over here. So whatever you use in your post or in your pages, it will come up over here. So you can just in case if you want to select and you want to delete it, that all options are available, that we can do. So I just go to post and all post. So over here we will see some draft. No, okay, so draft is not available because we did not save that, so it's gone, so not a problem. But I can just go to media library and I can select this option, and if I want to delete it, so there is a option over here, link is available, delete permanently. So I'll click on this, and that image will get deleted. So you can delete unwanted images from your media library, so that your website will be light and fast. Otherwise it will become very heavy, so we can delete whatever is not required. So that is media library. And add new is in case if you want to add a new image from the media library over here itself, then that's okay, that's your choice, you want to upload it from here. But usually we don't upload it from here, we upload it from the post or pages wherever we are. So now the next thing is pages. So we can add all the pages of the website, say like home page of course is by default, but we want to add pages like about us, then products, services, then contact us page, terms and conditions, privacy policy. These are called as pages, which we add it in the menu. So pages will come up in the menu, but the post that we add, that does not have a menu. So it just has a link called as blogs, and when you click on it, all the blogs will come up. And if you are creating specially a blog post website, then say all the blogs will come up on the home page itself, and then whenever you click on any blog, it will go to the respective places with respective blog. So that is what the pages and post are. So post is basically the dynamic content. We keep on adding new blogs every day, and maybe multiple times a day also. And pages are something which are called are static pages on the website, which does not change. Say like about us content is not going to change, contact us information is not going to change unless and until my phone number, my address, or anything else has changed, then only I will go and update it, but it is not going to change. So that is going to remain as it is. So those are pages which are going to remain on the website as a static content. And post is dynamic content which keeps on updating automatically. Whenever we add, the latest blog will always be on the top. That is the reason it is called as dynamic content. Then if I want to add a new page, I can just click on add new from here, or I can click add new page from here, or I can add from here also. There are options. So there are three options for adding a page. Same way for post also, if I want to add, I can add it from here. And in the post also, whenever I go to all post, I can add new, and say there will be option to create a new post. So this that is the difference between post and pages. So after that we have comments. So I can monitor all the comments for the blogs that people have written on my website. So once I approve them, after that only they will be say coming on my website. So that settings we have. So right now by default it is approved. So in case I don't want this blog, I can just unapprove this. So now it will be removed from the blog. So or else if I feel that this the person who has commented, he is doing some spam by promoting his link, then I can just mark it as spam. So next time he will not be able to post on my website. And if I feel that I want to delete this, then I can click on trash, and then that comment will get deleted. So that is just viewing all the comments that people have given on the website. Then we have, this is a small plugin, so that is an additional software which is installed, with which we can create multiple forms. See, in olden days, say we had to do some programming, and then we were creating forms, but in today's date you can create forms in just 5 minutes. So you just add whatever fields you want, and you just select the email address. So when a person will submit the form, automatically all the details will come in your email. So that is the forms that we can create. Many number of forms over here, any number of forms I can create over here. And then finally, this is the most important part, that is the theme of the website. So theme of the website is the look and feel of the website. So now let me just show you, say like okay, my main website is down right now, but I'll show you some other website. this is one of the website abstract synergies. Then this is another website, and yeah, one more. Okay, so this is one type of website that we can see over here. Okay, so this is it. Then this is another website, so this is loading. So okay, so this is another website over here. One second, just let me close this. Okay, so now you can see this website also is there. Then you can see this website is also there. There are different website over here. So these are all made in WordPress. So this is what we call as look and feel of the website. So depending on the theme that we are using, the website will look accordingly. So now over here, these are the basic themes which comes with the website. One second, I think by mistake something happened. Okay, fine. So these are the things, these are the themes which comes by default installed into WordPress. So but we don't want to use these themes because these are very basic themes and it does not have customization features available. So I mean it has, but as per our requirement it does not have all the features. So what will I do? I will click on add new button, so I can add a new theme. So now it will display all the themes over here. So you can see so many themes are available over here. Now say there are millions of themes available, you can keep on scrolling and the themes will keep on appearing. So I mean you can select whichever theme you want, and once you click on install, that theme will be using that theme. So after installation we just need to activate. But how do we select a theme? Say either you have the idea of selecting a theme from all the available themes over here, or else instead of scrolling so much and finding the right theme, I will search with the help of keywords. So maybe I want to create a website for education, so over here I will get all the themes which are related to education. So you can see all the themes. So now you can see everything related to education and nothing else. So this is what we can see, and if I like any of them, then definitely I'll click on install and use it. Now after that maybe I want to install something, say like I want to create for maybe sports. So then I will see all the themes which are related to sports over here. So we can see all these things over here. So like that we can see we can use the themes which are related to sports, or else maybe I want to create an e-commerce website. So then I can have an e-commerce website created. So now you can see all the shopping type of themes available, wherein we can install and add products to all these themes over here. And what we are concentrating today is creating a blog website wherein we will be adding blogs because say blog is the place where we can do a very good SEO and it can get our website into search engines. So any which ways you can create any type of website and add blogs into it. Blog is the default feature in all the types of website that we are creating. So here we have various themes that we can install, and in case if you know any of the theme, then yes, you can type the name. So I personally know one of the theme which I was using for 5 years, that is called as color mag. So this is a very good theme, so I can use this and install it. So I click on install. So after selecting whichever theme you want, you will click on install, and then that theme will start to install. And once it is installed, you just need to click on activate button over here. So then that theme will get activated. So right now if I see my website, it is of course it has changed a bit. Okay, so that is because you did not see the original website. So this is the new one. So I'll just show you the website which I've installed for you. so you can get a quick idea. That was the basic one. mm, yeah, so this was the basic when we installed WordPress on our website. So this is how your theme is there. So this is your URL, and over here the theme was like this previously, and now we have it like this. So at least it is something ordered over here with sections, and we can see the menu bar over here and heading over here. So over here we did not have that kind of functionality. The menu bar is not there, and over here the sections are not there, so it is difficult. So now we have installed the theme, and now it's time to customize the theme. So I mean, I can customize the theme. So in customization, what I can do, I can change the image over here. I can put my logo over here. I can create the menus over here. I can add or remove the menu items from here. If I don't want these sections and I want something else over here, I can add it. So that all part comes into customization. So that is over here, customization. So let us click on the customization and see what we can do. You can even click on this get started with color mag, because if there are any themes, any plugins or any additional any additional plugins that are required to add, then we can use this. So getting started with color mag. So okay, so by default it doesn't require. So it is asking us that which demo would you like to import. So we have selected color mag, and over here you have different look and feel. So in case if you want to use this type of website with this theme, or say, so these are all sub themes of color mag. So whichever you want, you can use it. So if I click on import, then it will start to import it will start to install this theme over here. So what it will do is, it will automatically create a website which you can see on the screen. So if you import this one, then it will install the same thing over here, so with all the demo content. So all these images and content over here, whatever is written, that all things will be installed by default. So so that you just delete everything, and so you get to know the structure of the website, that okay, over here there are some panels over here. I can add some blogs, so automatically my featured image will come up over here. So as we do it, you will get to understand all these things. So right now it is importing, so till that time we will see some other menu. So that was customization, and then these are widgets. So widgets is say whenever we install certain plugins, so those plugins will automatically get converted to widgets. So that widgets we can drag and drop anywhere on the website. Say like I will create a form, so that form will become a widget. So now if I say that I want to add a form on the right hand side, say like on the right hand side I don't want all these things, and I want a small form over here asking people's name, email address and mobile number. So it is like a lead generation form. So then I can add a form over here. So whatever content I add anywhere, that is called as widget. So maybe I can add a video, or I can add a text content over here, or I can add any type of content over here. So those are all called as widgets, so that I can use over here. So it is still importing, okay, not a problem. So that is widgets. And then menu. So in menu, over here right now we don't have any menu. This is sample page which we are going to delete it. So after that we can create about us page, and say like contact us page, and privacy policy page, terms and conditions, products, services, all those things. So that all things will come up over here. Of course privacy policy and terms and conditions will come up in the footer, because those links doesn't come up in the main menu. So those extra links will come up at the bottom. Say like terms and conditions, privacy policy, refund policy, all those things will come up at the bottom. So and over here we can add, say like home page is there, then home, about us, products, services, contact us form. So like that we can add whatever content we want, that we can use, say like vision, mission, all those, there's all those things, then corporate governance. So depending on what are things we want to add in our website. So that is menu, we can add multiple menus so over here, and we can create multiple menus, say one for the top header. So this is the main primary menu. Then I want some content over here in the footer menu. So in the footer menu, what I will add, I will add the pages like say this privacy policy, terms and conditions, refund policy, and those kind of pages I will add it in the footer menu. So when I select a widget of footer menu, then automatically those links will be displayed in the footer of the website. So after that, the next thing over here is this is header. So header is basically on the top of the website, so where I can, if I want to add some images, then I can add the image over here, or if I want to add a video, then I can add a video over here. And after that, this whole website will start. So when a page will load, a whole full screen will be shown with a single image or a video that I want to use. So that can be done with the header. So and all header options are available, like I can add social media image, social media icons, and all those things I can add it on the top. So that is header. And then background. So background, in case say whenever we are shifting to the pages, so in the background, if you want some color, say like right now we can see a white color background. In case if you want to change this to some other color background, then we can change it from there. Or you want some image to come up when the pages are switching from one page to other, in between you want to show some image, or say and animation like loading, then we can use that. So that is background. And then this is demo importer. So that depends on different themes, so not all themes are having demo importer. So right now our demo is imported. Then after that we have color mag options. So color mag options is basically the theme which we have installed. So if that theme are having any special options available, then we can see that. So say like documentation, so you want to know that how does a color the mag theme work, what are the different panels available, how you can customize it. So basically all the tutorial of this particular theme, so that most of the themes do have, so that we can use over here. And then starter demo, so that was the previous page that we were seeing of all the demo content that was available. And then premium version, so I mean every theme has a free version and a paid version, so which has some additional functionalities in that theme, so that currently we don't require, so it's okay. And then plugins. So plugins, I can plugins is basically a small application which can be installed in our system, which will enhance the functionality of the website. Say like I want to add forms. So over here we have added a plugin for called as WP form, that is WordPress forms. So like that there are millions of plugins available for different requirements that we have. Then maybe I want to have some social sharing button, say like Facebook, Instagram. Say if people are reading my blog and they want to say share my page to their LinkedIn or Facebook or any other place, then they can share it over there. Maybe they want to share some image to their Instagram, then they can directly share it. So that all options is coming under plugins. We can install various plugins. So just by installing any new plugin over here, we can do that. So this is plugins. So say like I want to have create some forms. So if I use add a keyword called as forms, then you can see this plugin is there which is already installed. So that is the reason it is grayed out over here. It says that it is already active on your website. So over here you can see there are many widgets for forms that we can use. So if you want to know that from all these forms which I can use. So you can see the star ratings and how many installations are done, that all things from there you can select. See the theme, the plugin which we have installed is having 5 plus millions of active installations, and more than 12,000 reviews are there for this particular plugin. So this is a very good plugin, so we have installed this plugin. Now say suppose you want to install a plugin for social media or social sharing. So let's see what we have in social media. So over here you can see social media share buttons. So we can add sharing buttons below every blog with Facebook and Twitter and LinkedIn and other all social media websites that we can use. Then this is for Yoast SEO, so that we will be using this in when we do SEO we will require this plugin. So we will install that today. So I'll click on install now, and then after installing I will select activate. So then that plugin will get activated. So like this, depending on my requirement, I can use whatever type of plugins I want, I can install. So this is, you have successfully installed Yoast SEO. Okay, so that was plugins. Then we have users. So right now we are the only users, that is the admin over here. Say we can create multiple users as well. Say like I want someone to manage my website. So in that case I can create a new user over here. I can provide a username, email address, first name, last name, and password, and then I can say add new user. And before that I need to select that person's role. I can give any role, but I should not give administrator role to anyone, because that person will also have the same rights that I have. So maybe that person can delete the content also, so I don't want that. So maybe if you want, you can give them a role of a author or editor, so they can add content and edit the content, so they cannot delete the content. So this is what we have over here. So that is author, editor, that we can use. So once we do that, and then we can click on add user, and that user will be added. Now since this is our personal website, so we don't have multiple user website over here. But in this, if you want people to register on your website, then even that functionality is available. But of course if you want user generated content, say like a website, say like how Facebook is having everybody can register on Facebook and add content to their post and videos and reels and everything they can do. Over here also people can register and add blogs. They cannot do anything else, they can only add blogs, because that is the only functionality that is available over here. So if we want, then we can do that also. We can add we can allow people registering on our website. Then a registration form will automatically come up on the website, that we can add it in the menu. So then from there people can register. But of course for that we need to have a better server, we need to have some dedicated server, because many people will be coming on the website and they will be adding content to it. So definitely we don't want our website to crash. So if you are using a very good server, then you can activate that feature. Otherwise you just keep it to yourself, and we can just use as our own website, that's it. So that is users. And this is the profile of the user, so where a person can edit the details. So like over here the names and everything is not written, so I would use say like earth rebooted, and over here I will use, and then I will select what name I want. See right now it is admin dash earth rebooted. So over here also you can see admin dash earth rebooted. So whatever content you post on the website, below in the author's name it will be mentioned as admin earth rebooted. So this does not look good. So what I want is, I will select earth rebooted. So now this name will be displayed below every article that we are posting on this website. And after that we can just scroll down and click on update profile. So that is done over here. Yeah. And after that we have certain tools. So over here we use only two tools, we don't use any other tools. So that is import and export. Say now I have say maybe I have written many blogs on my website, maybe 100 blogs or 200 blogs or 500 blogs. So tomorrow for even for safety also I can take I can export my all my blogs. I can take a backup, so I can click on export and I can download a copy of all my blogs. So over here I can say all content, so it will take backup of all the articles, all the pages that I have created, all the forms that I have created, and all the media as well. So then I can click on download file. So once it will download in XML format, and I can save that file anytime. And say this is also safer because in future if something goes wrong with the server or say website crashes, then at least you have a backup of your website of all the blogs that you have written. Then you can directly click on import, and say you will import all those blogs. So say for importing I'll just install WordPress and say run importer. So now I will just choose that XML file which I have downloaded, and then I will click on upload file and import. So then it will import all the blogs. So in 5 minutes all 500 blogs will be coming up on your website as it is previously on your website, with all the categories and all the blogs, the tags and everything. The only thing which you will need to do is add images to it, because in the XML file images does not come up, so that we can download it from the server. So that options are available. So these are the only two things that we use in the tools. The other thing, site health, that is not our concern, because we have purchased the server from one of the company, and it is their responsibility to take care of the site's health. But just in case if you want to monitor the site's health, then you can just click on that, and over here it will load all the results of the website over here, say in terms of security and the performance. That all things will come up over here once this is doing it is loading. So okay, so now it says that the site health is good, so we don't need to worry about it. And if I click on info, then it will show me all the information over here about the site health. So I can check each and every detail about the WordPress. So it will tell me what version of WordPress I have, what is the site language, what is the user language, what is the time zone, all these things it will show me. Then I want to see the directories and the sites, so it will show me all the directories that are available on the website and all those things. So these are all detailed things, so which is of no use for us. And then this is for exporting personal data, and this is erase personal data. So this is only for if you are having multi-user website. So in that case only this is useful. For our content, why will we delete our content from the website? So that is not required. Then we have settings. So in settings also we do not change the default settings of anything over here, because if we change, then maybe there are chances of our website getting down. So we don't touch anything over here. We will just use this permalink, and that also once in a lifetime. So that is one setting that we do. So I click on permalinks, and I will just change the link of say link structure. See over here, the blogs will the blog URL could be something like this, where some date is coming in between. So I don't want this date in between, because this is not search engine friendly URL. I just want the name of the domain and the name of the article. So for that I will use post name. So that is what I would select over here. So you can see the base domain URL and the sample post. So this over here the post name will come up. That's it. And then I click on save changes. So now never I need to do anything over here. So everything is fine over here. So that is all settings. And I was talking about this multi-user. So in case if you want to activate the multi-user over here, then you can do that. Say for that we just need to go to general and writing. So okay, over here also I don't need to change anything. I just go to the general settings over here under settings, and then over here I can select, see, anyone can register on the website. So if I select this and then I give a role, then people can start to register. So if I activate this feature, then all people can register on my website and they can submit the content. So that is what we can do. So but over here we don't want that feature to get activated. So if you do this, after that you can click on save, so then everybody can be able to register on the website. So this was all the admin panel understanding of all the menu items from where we can manage. So the most important thing is the appearance, that is the look and feel of the website that we have installed in our website. So right now we can see our website. Let us refresh because the demo content is imported. So now I refresh and now you can see the actual website. How does it look like? So right now it has two blogs over here, so it is showing like this. And over here different sections are created. On the right hand side we have a bar, sidebar. So this is called as sidebar, that which is on the right hand sidebar. So like this we have all these things, and then this is the footer. Over here I can add various content. So like this I can use now I can delete all the demo content which is over here, because now I have already seen that how my blogs will appear on the website, because this is all demo content, right? So for that what I need to do is first of all I will delete these all unrequired themes so that website will not be heavy. So unwanted content should be removed, so that otherwise there are even say hackers also get a chance to use this unused uninstalled content on the website to get into the website. Okay, so this is all deleted. Okay, one is remaining, so I'll delete that also. Okay, so this is the theme which we have installed, and now I can customize this theme. So I can just go over here under themes and I can click on customize over here, or I can directly click on customize over here. So now I click on customize from here, and then it will take me to another panel over here, which will be, so now this panel which you can see is the panel only of this particular theme and not the WordPress website. So over here you can edit the theme. Say now over here say there are lots of menus, but in case say you are using it for the first time, so maybe you do not know that where exactly you want to go, so that you can change this logo to your logo. So for that reason these all small pencil icons are provided, which you can use to edit that particular section. So say if I want to change my logo, so I'll just click over here, and then I will say change logo, and then I can say upload logo, and maybe I can upload the logo. So I don't think I have a logo for this. I need to create a logo, but okay, so yeah, right, I don't have a logo for this. I need to create a logo. Okay, but temporary I will use another logo on this. Okay, let me use this website's logo, or I'll just use this small logo over here. So it is getting uploaded, and then I can click on select, and then I can use this logo over here. So now this will remove, and now this is coming up, my logo will come up over here. So ideally it should contain the website name also in the logo. So that is the one thing. And after that say this is some advertisement which is coming up, which I don't want. So this is the dummy advertisement. So it is by default telling you that over here you can place some advertisement like this. Okay, so now right now I don't require this. So I click on this pencil icon, and I can see the advertisement over here. So what I can do is I'll click on this and I'll say remove legacy widget. So now this widget will be removed. So this is widget. Now over here also I see this content, this advertisement. I click over here, and here also I'll do the same thing, remove legacy widget. So that is gone. Then I scroll down over here, I can see this, so I can edit, and then I can see over here the logo is over here. So maybe I can remove the link. So I will just remove the coding over here, so this logo will go, so that is gone. And after that, let me scroll down. This is also advertisement, so you can see 125 into 125 pixel advertisement, ads. So I click over here and we can see all this over here. So I can remove this also over here, remove legacy widget. So now that widget is also gone, so that is gone. So now still let me scroll down. Okay, on the over here also I can see this color mag, so I can edit, and I can remove that coding over here. So or else you can delete the whole thing, and say this content also will get deleted, and you want to write something small, few lines about the company, that you can write over here. Or else you can remove the whole content and you can add some new content over here. That is just in case if you don't want this particular column to use your about us content, because any which ways you have your about us page, so that's okay. But right now we will remove that. Okay, so we remove that. Okay, and over here also I can see this, so I'll click on this, and I'll remove this advertisement which I don't require. I'll just click on this advertisement image, I'll just remove this. Okay, so that is gone over here from there. And this color mag title, I can use something else. Maybe I can use we will be in the last column, we will be using subscription to add, so newsletter subscription, so we can just use say the title as subscribe. Okay, so and this content I want to remove. See, this text content I don't want. So then what I can do is I'll say remove. Okay, so there is no option for that. Okay, yeah, it is over here, so this I can delete it, so that content is also gone. Okay, remove legacy widget, so that is gone. So and this advertisement also, if I want, I can remove it. And this image, select image. Okay, so it is asking me to upload some other image, so right now it is gone. After making all the changes, you need to click on publish, otherwise all the changes that you have made will not be saved. So this is done, everything is done. So now it's time to remove all these content. So how do I remove all these content? So I go to, I'll close this, and after that I can see all the post over here. I go to all post, and then I will delete all the blogs which are dummy content, because we will be adding our blogs. So I'll select move to trash. Okay, so it is deleting, it is taking some time. Okay, so still there are some more remaining. Okay, so now all the blogs are deleted, and now I go to pages, and if there are any dummy pages, I'll delete them. So I'll select all, I'll keep the contact us page that we want, and we will keep the privacy page that also we want. Rest all the pages we will remove it. So say move to trash and click on apply. So now all the pages would be deleted. Okay, so all the unwanted pages are gone. So now I go to my website, and I click on refresh, so all the content would be gone. So now you can see all the content is gone over here, and now I want to remove this menu also because this is of no use. This is a dummy menu. So for that, what I need to do is I go to say appearance and menus, and after that what I need to do is I can see all these menus over here which is there on the website over here: sports, politics, technology. So that all things you can see over here: sports and technology and politics and all those things. So what I will be doing is directly I will click on delete menu, so then the whole menu will be deleted. And what I will do is, okay, so about us, privacy policy, terms of use, contact us, so this I will keep. So this will come up in the footer, so that I can keep. So I need to create a new menu. So I will create a new menu, say like over here, say premium themes. So I'll select this premium themes, and I will need to delete this menu also. This is all not useful for us because this is all dummy content. So I delete that menu also, and I select primary menu, main menu. So that also is containing sports, politics, technology, which is coming up over here. So this also we need to delete it. So I'll delete the whole thing. Okay, so this is done, this is removed. So now I'll say save menu. So now that all things is gone. So now I need to create a new menu. Over here I have a link to create a main menu because I need to create the menu on the top. So I'll say this menu would be primary menu, and then I can click on save. So once this menu is done, I can see a page which is there on my website which is already there. So I'll select this page and I will add it to the menu. So now you can see this one page has come up. So in the menu in our website also we will see only one menu, contact us. So now let me refresh this page. So here you can see home and contact us, nothing more than that. So like this we can add multiple. So right now we don't have any pages over here, so that is the reason in the menu also we can see there is nothing over here. Say let us add one page. Say for example I want to add a new page over here. So I'll say we will just create the pages because right now we don't have the content. So I'll say about us, and then I will just say this page is about us. So okay, and then I can just write something. So this will look like a paragraph. Say like this will looks like some page with some paragraph over here, and once this is done I can just click on publish. So now this page will be coming up. So where will this page come up? So this page will come up under the menu item. So let me go to the dashboard over here, and say I will go to the menu, and now you can see about us page is coming up. So now I can select about us page and then add it to the menu. Other option is I will add multiple pages over here, and then at one time only I will come over here and select all the pages that I want, and I will add it to the menu, and then I will click on save menu. So then it will appear on the website. Now this is coming at the bottom. So contact us page should be always on the last. So I will drag this to the top. So after that I'll click on save. So now we will see home, about us, and contact us in our website. So you can see home, about us, and contact. So like this we can add multiple menus as we want, the different types of pages that we want. I can use it. So let us click on contact us form and see if we have a contact form coming up or not. Okay, so we can see a contact form is over here. So this is what we have. So this is fine, this is working. Now I want to add blogs into it. So what do I need to do? I need to come over here and I go to post, and then I will click on all post, and then I can add a new blog from here. Here I can add a title. Let me see if I have a blog over here. I don't think I have a blog. Okay, over here also it's not there. Or else we'll need to create it, that's it. So that's not a problem. Okay, so right now I don't see any blogs over here. So what I will do is temporary I will generate some blogs automatically. So I will go to Google and I will search for article generator, and I'll open over here content generator, or else I have one artificial intelligence tool, so that is AI writer, so which will generate unique article for us. So unique article means that content will not be there anywhere in the world. So I'll just use AI writer. So then this is the website. AI, that is AI writer, is basically artificial intelligence writer. So I need to sign in over here. So okay, now I'm signed in. So now this is research and write. So I will provide a title over here, and it will create an article for me. So maybe I will select, okay, metaverse for digital marketing, and then it will create an article of 500 words in the free version. So over here also I have two articles. I can download this also, and we can use this also. So I'll download this also, so we'll add them also into the blog. So okay, affiliate marketing trends. So this blog, one blog I have, and this is affiliate marketing trends, same one I have. So this is the second one which I'll download. Metaverse explained. Okay, I'll save this text file, and I will even generate one more over here, metaverse for digital marketing, and I'll click on this write article, so it will generate one more blog. So we have two blogs, and this is the third one which is getting generated. So in nowadays we don't even need to write an article, we just provide a topic and it will create a new generated article automatically for us, and it will create a unique article. It will not copy
But
from anywhere.
this is a free version.
Yeah, this is the free version. Say you have say initially when you create, you will get some 7 days free, and we can use something around 11 credits over here. So 11 times we can generate articles, or else you can use text rewording, or you can use subtopics discover. So whatever activities you do, so the activities will get deducted, whichever one is earlier. So even if you have all the credits available, but the days are gone, then say all this is waste, so then you cannot use it. Then you need to sign up with some another email address.
What is the
So
site name? What is the
so
site name?
this is aiwriter.com. So I'll just yeah, I'll just give you the URL in the chat. Okay. Okay, so it is ai-writer.com. So now I've given it to you in the chat. Over there you can copy the URL, or directly just click on it and it will open the website. So it is maximum valid for 3 days, 7 days, sorry, and within 7 days you need to utilize all your credits, otherwise it will be gone, so that account will get deactivated. And the pricing for this website is $29 per month, so I mean that's on a higher end, but of course it is worthwhile because it will generate unique articles for us, uh,
Hmm.
which is search engine friendly and Google approved articles for us. So now it is generated for us, metaverse for digital marketing, and now I can download it over here, and yeah, I'll save it on the desktop. Now how will I get to know that this is original content and it did not copy from any other website? So for that also I have a tool, so I can search for, say, like check plagiarism, and there are many websites which will be available to check that. So I'll open this website, and I will even open this latest one which we have just generated. So I will copy the content from here and paste it over there. Yeah, so this content I will copy, the whole content I will copy, and I will go to this URL, and I will paste the content over here, and then I will say okay, I am not a robot, and then I'll say check plagiarism. So now it will automatically check each and every line of this article, and it will say that how much percent it is unique and how much percent it is copied from anywhere else. So it is still checking, it is 22%, and all that 22% is 100% unique, so not even a single word is copied from anywhere else. Okay, so 99% it will be 100% unique only, because till now I haven't seen even 1%. So you can see it is completed and it is 100% unique. So this content which we have generated, that is this content which you can see over here, which we are going to use on our website, this content is not available on any websites in the world today. So
Okay.
this is 100% unique content. So now I know that this tool is working perfectly fine. So this is what it is. So I'll just close this, and now I go back to my website, and now it's easy for me. So now there is a green signal, I can use this. So metaverse for digital marketing, and I'll put the title over here, and in the description I will copy the whole description over here, and I can paste it in the description field over here. Okay, so yeah, like that I can use it over here. It is done. So now say my title is done. After that, what I need to do, say if title is done, then my description is done. After that, I need to select the category under which I want my content to come up. So here you can see there are all dummy categories because we had added the demo content. So what I'll do temporary over here, I'll save draft so that this article will remain over here as it is. So I'm just saving it to draft. Okay, so now I go to categories and delete all the categories. So I'll select over here, and I'll say delete, apply. So all the dummy categories which were created will be deleted. It will even delete the category which we had created, but that's fine because it will just take 1 second to create the new article. So this article will remain. I said that this is default category and which cannot be deleted. Okay, so now we again go back to our post, and I select all post, and now you can see this is the article which we were writing, we had saved. So now I again click on edit, so I can go to the editing mode, and now over here you will see that general category, but I don't want to put this article under general category. I want to add a new category, that is metaverse. So, and I'll say add category. So now the category is selected and added. So my title is done, my description is done, my category is done. Now comes the part of the important keywords of this particular article. So I need to select important keywords. So how will I select that which keywords are good for me? So whichever are more in number and we feel that people will search this. So how will I get to know? So otherwise I need to read all the of full content, and I cannot count that okay, digital marketing is used for 10 times or 5 times. So for that I will copy the whole content, whole article, and I will go to one of the website which is word frequency counter. Then I go to that website, and I will paste the whole article over here, and I'll click on submit, and then it will tell me that which keyword is used for how many times. Say like metaverse is used 22 times, marketing is used 13 times, 16 is 16 time, and is used uh, so like that we can see each and every keyword, how many times each and every keyword is used. So now metaverse is very important, so I'll copy metaverse, and I will paste it over here and add it. Then another keyword over here is marketing, so I'll copy marketing, and I will use it over here. Then I'll select virtual, then digital. Virtual is there, then digital is there, then over here reality is there, brand is there. So reality, brand, and after that let me see how many times. If you see 3-4 times, then those are not that good. Augmented I need to use because that is very important keyword. Then maybe something like okay, so rest of them are just 1 1 2 2 times, that doesn't work. So over here I have added all these keywords over here, and now one more thing is remaining, that is the featured image. So that is the featured image for the blog. So I need to go to featured image, and I need to upload the image. So now this image, this is related to metaverse, so I need to upload an image which is related to the topic. So I believe I have the images. So I go over here and select metaverse is over here, so I'll select this image and I'll click on open, and once this image is getting uploaded, I can just set as featured image, and it can come up. So now all my task is completed for adding the content. So this is how you add content, and after that you can click on publish. So now your first blog is published. So now over here we can say refresh, and we will see one of our article coming up. Okay, this is saved, but why is it not coming? Okay. Latest one, it is showing over here, metaverse is showing, but in the content it is not showing. Okay, yes, correct. Why is it not showing? Because we haven't selected the content which we want to populate over here. Okay, so it is coming up like that. So for that, what I need to do is I need to again go to customize the theme, and I need to select what is the content that comes up in the home page. So I go to home page settings, and then over here it says latest post, so that is correct. And then I would select something like front page general. Okay, so that is also not coming up. So then what I need to do is I need to, okay, so over here it is not showing. One second, let me just reload it. Okay, now it is loading. So now over here I can see all these content. So now I'm not related with these technology, these things, so I'll just click over here and I'll remove this. Instead of fashion, I will rename it to digital marketing. So because we have a category of digital marketing, and so now you can see, now since I have renamed this to digital marketing, automatically the blog is coming up on the home page. So after that I can show that number of posts to show 5. So 5 posts will be showing over here, and select from the post from metaverse, so that I can use, or say I will also rename this to metaverse because this is related to metaverse. Okay, so and then I can click on publish. So then over here on the slider also I need to select. So in the slider I will select which category. So I will say latest post, and how many posts. So that would be minimum of 4 5 6 7 posts over here, so the slider will keep on coming up. So like that I can select. So this is published. So now it will come up automatically. Now this was the process that we did only once. So now I go back to admin panel, and now I will refresh this page, and now we'll see that content over here. It is still not coming. Let me just refresh it again. Okay. Sometimes it takes time to come up. Okay, so now we can see this slider is coming up, and this content is coming up, and this blog content is coming up. Previously full blog was coming, now it is only the summary is coming. So like this it will come up. So like this we can even rename this. So once we add new content, at that time we can rename this also. So let us add another blog, so we will get to know more better that how it will look like. So I'll click on add new, and now we will add another topic. So this we are done. I will use metaverse explained. Yes, so I'll use metaverse explained, everything you need to know. I'll put it over here, and this over here, the whole blog I will copy, and I'll paste it over here, and same thing I will do it in the word frequency counter also. Okay, okay, yeah, so I'll paste it over here and click on submit. So I'll get to know that which word is coming up multiple times. Okay, so this is done. So now I will this is again related to metaverse, so I'll select the category metaverse over here, and important tags. So those tags I will select from here, metaverse, then world, then virtual, then reality, then digital, then internet. So I can add maximum of 15-20 words depending. So I can even add 5, I can even add 20, but I should not add 100 keywords or 50 keywords, because that will be too much. Okay, so that's all. Social. Okay, then anything over here, if I feel even two-lettered word, say even 2 words phrases I can use. Okay, AR VR, so that is virtual reality and augmented reality. So I can use the full form also if it is present in the content. Okay, let me check. I'll also search virtual reality. Okay, so I have virtual reality also, so that I can add in the tag, and I can also use virtual space. Then okay, I'll search for augmented reality. Then AR and VR, the short forms. mm, Spy Kids. mm, okay, that's it. Okay, over here, three-dimensional. So all important keywords which we feel that people would search, that we can use. Okay, and then now we need to add an image, so I'll select featured image, and I can search for the image. So in case, say like, okay fine, I have the image, so I am using it, but what in case if we don't have an image, what will we do? So I have a solution for that. First let me just save this. So for that you need to go to Google, and you can go to Google Images, and you can search for the images that you want to use. Say like I want to use say metaverse, and I'll click on enter, but I cannot use any of the images which are coming up. Sorry, so any of the images which are coming up, I cannot use any of them. So then you might say that why did we come over here? But yes, there are certain options that we have. So I will go to the tools over here, I'll click on this button, and then I have the option called as usage rights. So I'll click over here, and then I will select Creative Commons license. So Creative Commons license means that the images which are licensable to use free of cost, and it does not say have any claim over copyright. So now you can see all these images are licensable. So wherever I put my mouse on whichever image, it shows as licensable, licensable. So now from this I can use whichever image I want, I can use. So like maybe I want to use this image, so I'll open this image in a new tab, and I can download this image, save image as, okay, so this is JPG image, and then I will give it a name, metaverse over here, metaverse virtual headset. Okay fine, that's also okay. I'll save it somewhere on the desktop, and now I just need to check the size, because the size is very important for us. I cannot use heavy images on the website, otherwise say my website will become very slow. Each and every page will take a lot of time to open. So for that reason, I should use the images which are quite small on the website, but good to see. So I'll see the image size, and okay, this is too high. So what I will do is, I want to use 500 by 281. Okay, 282 is fine. So this is a good size. I'll say okay, and then I will save this image. If you do not have Photoshop, then you can open the image in say there is option for paint, which is built in into any Microsoft. If you are using Mac, then for Mac, of course, you need to see which image editing options are available built in. So that I'm not aware, because I'm not using Mac. I've stopped using Mac from
Can I
maybe
use can I use Canva?
Canva will create images. Over there you cannot edit images, so you cannot upload images and edit it. So that is the problem, you cannot edit the size. See, the other option is that you can go to any website, you can just go to Google and search for resize images online free. So then you will find many websites over here. You can just open any of the website, and then you will get the option to upload the image. So you can see over here, upload the image. So say let me select the image. So I'll select this image over here. So it is uploaded, and now I can select the width and height over here, or else I can select the percentage or pixels. So this is 640 pixels, I want 500, and okay, this is good. And quality I can select. So if I reduce the quality, then the size also will say decrease. So maybe I can use something around say temporary, I can use 60% is good, and that all is fine. So I'll say resize image. So now your image has been resized. You can download it. So you can see this is 41.92 KB. And what is the original size? So this image from the images folder, let me just see. Okay, I go to the images folder, and that image, yes, so original size was 138 KB, and what size we got over here is 41 KB. So you can see 100 KB is decrease. So more and more you say use and try to edit the images, then it is good for us. So then you can directly download this image and use it. Say like I am using Photoshop because that is a professional one. See, because right now this is the size that we have done over here, and current size is 23.9 KB. So I can still further reduce the size without disrupting the quality of this. So what I can do is I can just open that image over here, and I can just save file, save for web and devices. So I'll select this, and then I will click on save over here. So now I can save to desktop, and I can just say metaverse virtual headset. This is JPG and this is also JPG, so I'll make it this is 1. Okay, and save it. And now let us see what is the size. So this is the latest one. This is 10.1 KB, and this is how many KB? This is 23.9 KB. So it has reduced to still more than 50%. So now this image, if I use on the website, this will be very fast. So definitely I will use that kind of image only in the website, so that my website will open very fast. Because if the images are optimized, then only my website will run very fast. So like this, if I want to replace this image, say like I don't want this image, I can click on delete permanently, and then I can upload the image. So okay, so it would delete it in some time automatically, and then I can select upload, and then I can select that file from the desktop, and I'll select this one. So which one did we select? Yes, 1. So this is the 10 KB file, yes, and then I'll say open, and it takes very less time to upload. See over here, set featured image, and it's done. So now it is replaced also. So now all my task is done. My title is done, my description is done, my category is done, my tags is done, my images is done. So now I can just go and publish this blog. So like this, it is done. So we have added 2 blogs in the website. So like this, you need to keep on practicing, so that you will get to know how we can do it. Once you master this, then when we go for doing SEO, at that time say you can do it faster way. So now you can see over here the slider is coming up. You can see it is coming up like this. So the latest blogs over here, we had selected 10. So 10 sliders will be coming up for the 10 blogs, and over here there would be coming up more images would be coming up, okay, that we did not customize. So I can just go to customize and let it load. So over here I did not select, so I'll select that, and instead of this highlighted post I'll show latest post, and latest 4 posts I want to show, and that will come up. So you can see the latest 2 posts over here. So like this it is done. So now I can cross. Okay, and so over on the home page you will see 4 latest posts as the images, and over here the slider for those posts will come up. So you can see 1 2 over here, and over here also slider 1 and 2, it is coming up like this. So like this it will come up, and over here you can see the latest one has come up in a big way, and the previous one has come up over here. Now when we add the third one, this will come at the bottom, and the latest one will come up over here. The latest one will come up over here, this will come up over here. So like this, the 5 blogs we had selected, so 5 blogs will come up. So when I click on this metaverse over here, this particular category, then it will show me only the blogs, all the blogs from this particular category. See, right now we have added 2 blogs, so we can see 2 blogs over here. So once we have more blogs, at that time we will be able to see more blogs. So this is what this all blogs will look like. So like this you need to add all the blogs in the website. So you just practice all those things. I will just send you the login details. You can just try it out. So I have created for you your login details over here. This is your website URL, and this is the admin URL. So that is this URL wherein you can log into this admin panel, and with this is your username, your first name and last name, and this is the password #trustwegrow 2022 hash. Okay, so I'll just send this to you in WhatsApp, so it will remain over there. Okay, and yes, over here. So this is your website URL. This is your admin panel URL, and this is your username, and this is your password. So you can play around with this, so you don't need to worry, nothing is going to go wrong because this is hosted on my own server. So if anything goes wrong, I can reconfigure your details, so you don't need to worry about at all. You can play whatever you want, you can click on any link, you can click on any menu, you can install any themes you want, you can install any plugins that you want, and you can play around and see. You can try to add blogs available, so that all things you can do. So once I want you to add at least say around 10 to 15 blogs over here. Just let me see our schedule. So like I had initially told you when we were starting, that on Friday 4th of November I am not available because of already scheduled one of the lecture was scheduled for 2 months back.
Fourth and 11th, you said you're not available.
Sorry,
4th and 11th, I think you said not available.
yeah, 4th of November, yeah. So tomorrow, that is Friday.
Huh.
Yeah, so tomorrow I am not available because I will be coming home at 11 o'clock.
Oh.
That is the reason. So any which way, so that's not a problem, because it's good that you will get time to practice over here. You will get Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and our lecture is on say Wednesday. So you will have very good amount of days. So maybe even if you spare one hour each day, you can easily add many blogs on the website. Even if you add 15, 20, 25, 30, that's good. So the more blogs you add, then more blogs you will get to practice SEO on it, because the same blogs for SEO also you will require minimum 15 to 20 blogs or 25 blogs to practice, because
Okay.
as per my experience I have seen that if a person is doing SEO on 20 to 25 blogs, then he can master SEO. So I mean minimum that many blogs if you add, then it would be good for you. And you can generate, you can create an account on that AI writer, and you can generate unique blogs. So even that is good for SEO. So because Google wants original content, so that we will be learning in search engine optimization. In the next session we will start with SEO. So we will understand the concepts, and after that session we will do the practical. So till that time you will have very good amount of time to practice the blogs. So that
Okay.
all things we can do. So if you have any questions, you can let me know.
No, I'll get started tomorrow. But if I
Okay.
have some doubts, then I can
Definitely,
message you.
sir.
Then
Yeah, yeah,
right
you
away,
can
yeah.
see. I mean, I won't be available on calls, but on WhatsApp, you can anytime send all your doubts, whatever questions you have, you can directly send me on WhatsApp. So whenever in the break time I get time, I will see it and I can
Perfect.
reply back.
Perfect. Perfect.
Right, sir.
Perfect.
All right, sir. Then see you in the next session. Goodbye. Good
Thank
night.
you. Bye
Yeah.
bye. Good night.
Yeah.